Ya, Bu. Kan?
Oke.
Bentar.
Okay, ma'am, are you ready? Good afternoon to all the guests, participants, and presenters. Invite speakers, actually. It is my pleasure to be a moderator for invite speaker session. And first of all, I would like to welcome all the guests, all participants, presenter to this conference actually, and thanks for squeezing the time to join us today. The purpose of having this press conference is to update and announce some information about the education actually. And before the presentation begin, allow me to introduce our invite speaker today. This is Ibu Dr. Sudarmiani, Magister Pendidikan, the head of postgraduate department, and Ibu Darmiani have already shared about the general information. So it is so many publication, so many community empowerment, and so many books that have already published by Ibu Sudarmiani. And without further ado, I would like to welcome to our invite speaker to deliver the speech that will deliver about the application of window shopping learning model to increase student learning outcomes. So, ma'am, I would like to give 30 minutes to deliver this material. So, ma'am, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Puji.
Yes.
Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I will present the results of my research with a title Application of Window Shopping Learning Model to Increase Student Learning Outcome in Social Subject. Introduction. Improving the quality of education is a process that is carried out dynamically and continuously in order to improve the quality of human resources and various factors related to it in an effort to achieve educational goals effectively and efficiently. The 2013 curriculum is expected to be implemented in 21st century learning. The 21st century learning reflects 4 things, namely critical thinking and problem solving, creativity and innovation, communication, and collaboration. The purpose in this study was to determine the activities and student learning outcome in social studies subject using the window shopping learning model. Previous studies from S. Hajar, penerapan model pembelajaran window shopping untuk meningkatkan kemampuan koneksi matematis dan minat belajar siswa, year 2018, Karni, penerapan model pembelajaran window shopping to stay untuk meningkatkan hasil belajar siswa pada materi menggali isi teks penjelasan, eksplanasi ilmiah yang didengar dan dibaca bagi siswa kelas 6 Modorino 2022. Methods. This type of research in classroom action research so that researchers will take action that focus on teacher and student activities, as well as improving social studies learning abilities. The subject of this class action research were students of class 7B in 2021 or 2022 academic year with a total of 26 people. This class action is planned to be implemented in 3 cycles. Each cycle is completed in 1 meeting. In this research, it is planned in 2 cycles. Data collection techniques in this study are test and observation. The observation method is very necessary in most qualitative research with the aim of obtaining information that includes to the reality of the object of a study. The criteria of student learning completeness individually 85 in accordance with the minimum criteria for social studies subjects. Mastery of classical learning is declared to have been achieved if at least 85% of the number of students have met the minimum completeness criteria. Discussion, cycle 1, planning. At this stage, what will be carried out is the activity of making a learning implementation plan that will be used at the stage of implementing the action. Action execution and the action implementation stage, learning activities are carried out in according with the learning implementation plan that has been made. In this activity, the researcher carried out the learning process by applying the window shopping learning model for the understanding, characteristic, and requirement of social interaction. This activity was carried out for 3 meetings with detail of 2 meetings for the live learning material and 1 meeting for evaluation. Observation and evaluation, observation result. From the result of observation made, it was found that the learning process was not as expected because there were still shortcomings both from the teacher himself and from the student. The shortcomings found in teacher activities are as follows. The teacher has not provided motivation, has not conveyed a perception, has not provided guidance, has not conveyed reflection, and has not strengthened the learning process to students. Students can be seen in the activity in following the learning process. Based on the result of observation of student activities, it was found that there were still many students who were not active in discussion and doing the assignment given by the teacher. Student learning activities in the first cycle of the first meeting were 2.2 with the less active category, and the second meeting was 2.6 with the moderately active category. The level student activity is relatively low Therefore, student activity in the next cycle still needs to be improved. Evaluation result. The mastery of learning achieved by student is 71% with an average value of 74.5. These results have not reached the classical learning completes, so the learning continues to the next cycle. Reflection. Based on the analysis of the observation in the first cycle, the number of students who complete was still 71%, meaning that it was still below the minimum standard of 85%. Providing motivation and apperception that is still lacking make students a little confused in receiving new material or subject matter by applying window shopping learning, so that in cycle 2, giving more attention to motivation and apperception. Asking students to be more active and asking if they have difficulty or if their material and discussion question to that have not been understood. Cycle 2, planning, and this step what will be done is the activity of making a learning implementation plan, action execution, to be able to adjust the learning implementation plan is delivering material, including learning using the window shopping learning model for material from a form of social interaction. It was carried out in 3 meetings, of which 2 meetings were for material delivery and 1 meeting was for evaluation. Observation and evaluation. Observation result. The student activity in the second cycle for the first meeting was 3.6 with the active category, and the second meeting was 3.78 with the active category. Based on the classification of student learning activities, the category of student activities in cycle 2 is classified as active. Evaluation on learning outcome based on the result of the evaluation in the second cycle from 26 students, it was known that 22 students has complete and 4 were not. The evaluation result obtained in the second cycle reached a level of 87.5%. So it can be said that it is complete. For that, there is no need for learning to be had in the next cycle with the learning mastery that has been achieved. Reflection. From the result of observation of student activity in cycle 2, learning activities has been able to run well, where the result of observation of student activities can be classified and as active seen from each learning activity as well as teacher activities are classified as active. From the result of the analysis of the result of the evaluation, there was an increase in the class average and the percentage of classical completeness that had reach exceeded 85%, meaning that 85% or more students had achieved a test score of KKM or exceeded of specified KKM. Therefore, this reset was stopped until the second cycle according to the plan. Conclusion, based on the result of the research of and discussion above, that the motivation and learning outcome of social studies in class 7B SMP Negeri 2 SMP Negeri 2 Madiun can be increased through the application of cooperative learning model type window shopping of social interaction material. This increase can be seen from the acquisition of study activity score and the average grades and level of classical completeness in each cycle has increased both in cycle 1 and cycle 2. Based on the result of research and discussion above, it can be concluded the social studies learning outcome can be increased through the application of the window shopping learning model. The following slide of the picture of student implementing the window shopping. Okay, this is the end my presentation. Thanks you for your attention, and I will give it back to the moderator. Please, Ma'am Puji. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, we still have so many times. Okay. Yes. So let's go to the Q&A session. So in this Q&A session, for all the participants here, please give a question, or if you have any question, you can ask directly to our speaker, or our participant can text it in the chat box. So please, if there is a question, please give. You can give it or deliver it directly to our speaker today, or you can text it in the chat box. Okay, ma'am. Let's wait for the question, ma'am.
Okay, ready.
Perhaps you wanted to give some explanation, ma'am, due to we have still so many times. Yes. Is there any questions, dear participants, related our topic today? Yes, about the...
Sudah sangat jelas sehingga tidak ada yang...
Yes, our topic today is about the application of window shopping learning model to increase the student learning outcomes, actually. So please, if there are any question, all the participants here can deliver directly to our speakers or text it in the chat box. If all the participants not feel confidence, you can give a question in Indonesia also, in Bahasa also.
Bahasa Indonesia boleh ya?
Yes.
Dengan senang
hati.
Okay.
Yes, it is okay.
Ini mungkin di room ini karena sebagian besar dari peserta ini adalah sudah biasa melakukan penelitian tindakan kelas, sehingga beliau-beliaunya sudah sangat memahami dan mengerti, sehingga tidak perlu ada yang ditanyakan.
Okay, ma'am. There is a question, ma'am, from Ma'am Jerus. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, Ma'am Jerus Anthony or Sir.
Sir po, ma'am.
Oh, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yes.
Yes.
It's okay,
From Sir Jairus Anthony G. Valajos. So Sir Anthony asked about what intervention can we give to students who can cope up the modality of learning, ma'am?
Saya menjawab menggunakan bahasa Indonesia, nanti bisa dibantu ya, Mem Puji ya.
Oke, ma'am. Oke, ma'am. It's okay.
Ya. Jadi kalau terkait dengan apa intervensi dari guru pada saat siswa belum bisa mengikuti model pembelajaran window shopping ini, tentu sebagai guru adalah tetap memberikan pendampingan, memberikan motivasi, dan yang jelas pada saat pembentukan kelompok itu tentu kita ada teknik bahwa di setiap kelompok itu ada kelompok yang siswa yang dari sisi kemampuannya itu adalah tinggi, sedang, dan rendah. Jadi tidak ada di dalam kelompok itu adalah siswa yang kemampuannya rendah semua. Sehingga dari sisi keaktifan diharapkan bahwa tiap-tiap kelompok itu ada pemerataan keaktifan. Artinya apa? Siswa yang kemampuannya rendah atau yang motivasinya rendah itu akan terpancing untuk bisa mengikuti proses pembelajaran ini dengan baik karena melihat teman-teman satu kelompok yang lainnya itu aktif. Itu salah satu yang bisa dilakukan. Jadi pembentukan kelompok ini di awal itu tentu sangat menentukan. Lalu yang kedua, guru tentu akan berkeliling di dalam melakukan pengamatan atau observasi, sehingga pada saat mereka yang kemampuannya atau keaktifannya rendah atau tidak bisa mengikuti, itu bisa langsung kita bimbing secara individual. Seperti itu. Terima kasih.
Okay, ma'am. I will try to translate it about our speaker's explanation, sir. So our speaker have already explained about the teacher intervention, right? And based on our speaker, the teacher intervention, if students have not been able to follow there, as a teacher, still provide mentoring and also motivation. And when groups form, there is a technique for distribution the group based on its ability. So even from this activity, the ability is spread well. And teachers are around in doing observation so that students who do not follow can be advised individually by the teachers. Okay, sir? Is it okay? Or is it clear?
Thank you very much, ma'am. Yes,
okay.
ma'am, very clear, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, next question. Is there any question again? Because we still have, a lot of time. Oh, we still have 6 minutes left. Yes, ma'am. 6 minutes left. Oh, no. We still have 36 minutes. Okay, is there any question again? Bapak Ibu, apakah ada pertanyaan? Jika ada pertanyaan, boleh dalam bahasa Indonesia juga boleh. Nanti kita bantu translatekan. Karena waktunya masih sangat banyak. We still have 35 minutes. Okay, so if all the participants here wanted to ask to our invite speaker today, it is very welcome. Yes, ma'am? Okay. Let's wait, ma'am, for the other question.
Mungkin bisa diselingi Mem Puji moderator untuk bernyanyi sambil
No, ma'am, I can sing. Perhaps our invite speaker wanted to sing a song. It's okay. Okay, dear participants, is there any question again? Our invite speaker still wait for the question from our participants here. Hello, Bapak Ibu, is there any question? Okay, ma'am. May I ask, ma'am? I want to ask, ma'am. Is it okay if I want to ask? Actually, my
Indonesia
background.
saja.
Yes, actually, my background is not in education, but I want to ask in a general term, ma'am. And my question is, how effective is this method applied in the class, ma'am? Jadi seberapa efektif metode ini dapat diterapkan di kelas seperti itu?
Ya, terima kasih Mem Puji. Kita semua tentu sudah tahu bahwa penerapan tidak semua model pembelajaran itu cocok diterapkan untuk semua materi pelajaran. Jadi ada beberapa yang kita bisa terapkan untuk materi-materi tertentu. Ini kebetulan materinya kan tentang interaksi sosial. Nah, itu saya hubungkan dengan bagaimana interaksi sosial yang dialami oleh siswa, baik itu di lingkungan sekolah, di lingkungan keluarga, maupun di lingkungan masyarakat. Nah, di masing-masing kelompok itu saya berikan topik yang berbeda-beda. Karena kalau window shopping itu kan istilahnya adalah kayak belanja ilmu ya di sini. Belanja ilmu. Jadi mereka masing-masing saya berikan. Jadi ini juga gabungan dengan penerapan problem solving sebenarnya. Dari masing-masing saya berikan kasus, saya berikan kesempatan untuk melakukan analisis pemesannya dengan teori-teori yang mendasari seperti itu. Nah, baru kemudian dari masing-masing kelompok nanti ada jadwal untuk berkunjung ke kelompok lain. Memang saya sistemnya tidak menggunakan window shopping seperti yang tradisional ditempel-tempelkan di dinding itu, karena itu juga mungkin nanti membuat dinding kotor dan sebagainya, karena kalau dilengketi sama itu kan catnya katut ngelontok itu loh, Mem. Sehingga saya pakai di sistem pakai laptop ya, pakai laptop. Jadi window shoppingnya ke sana dan itu sangat menarik ternyata. Dari sisi aktivitas tadi sudah saya sampaikan, rencana saya itu adalah di 3 siklus, ternyata sampai di siklus yang kedua itu tingkat keaktifannya itu sudah dari 26 siswa itu sudah 22 yang aktif. Secara klasikal ini sudah memenuhi syarat lebih dari 85%. Jadi mereka sangat menarik, apalagi kan itu dibumbui dengan istilahnya apa yang mereka alami di lingkungannya. Jadi intinya bahwa window shopping ini di materi yang disampaikan tentang interaksi sosial ini sangat cocok dan menarik, keaktifannya juga tinggi. Saya juga belum mencoba bagaimana dengan di materi yang lain karena perlu juga memilih-milih lagi materi yang mungkin cocok untuk model ini. Seperti itu, Bu Uji.
Wow, so interesting, ma'am. So I asked to this speaker about how effective is this method applied in the class, and our speakers explained that not all methods actually are suitable for application in class, and our speaker have already explained also that there are different topic groups in different cases are given with the help of we are using the laptop, yeah, ma'am, yeah, and the result is in the cycle 2 of the 22 from 26 students are active in the cycle 2. It is approximately more than 85% of this activity of these active students. Correct, ma'am? So interesting, yeah, ma'am, yeah. If this so is the method can apply in the project-based learning, ma'am. Based on your explanation, it is applied based on the problem-based learning.
Problem-based learning.
Yes. So it is suitable if we wanted to apply in a project-based learning. Apakah ini juga bisa diterapkan untuk PJBL? Gitu, apakah bisa, ma'am?
Untuk PJBL sebenarnya bisa juga dilakukan karena kalau project based learning itu kan tidak cukup satu kali pertemuan karena proyek itu bisa diberikan kepada siswa untuk beberapa kali pertemuan, mungkin di pertemuan yang keberapa baru masuk. Namun menariknya itu sebenarnya dari sisi penasaran mereka untuk mengikuti apa sih yang diperoleh dari kelompok saya, dari kelompok lain itu, makanya menimba ilmunya di situ. Kalau problemnya itu sama saja, mungkin mereka tidak menarik. Jadi bisa jadi proyek, tetapi proyek itu adalah dengan apa istilahnya topik yang beda-beda, itu yang mempunyai nilai jual karena ini kan akan menjual ilmu window shopping yang dimaknai di sini. Kalau proyeknya itu adalah untuk hal yang sama, tentu mereka tidak akan muncul rasa antusiasnya. Jadi cocok-cocok saja memang karena untuk penerapan dalam strategi pembelajaran itu tinggal bagaimana kepandaian guru di dalam menggabungkan metode maupun model pembelajaran bisa lebih dari satu, asalkan biar membuat siswanya itu aktif di kelas dan yang terpenting adalah menyenangkan bagi mereka. Tidak ada tekanan batin ya istilahnya sekarang kan seperti itu. Kita mengajar adalah menjadi siswa-siswa yang menyenangkan. Itu, ma'am.
Yes, okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your information, ma'am. Actually, I got some interesting information, yeah, ma'am. So this window shopping is also very suitable to be applied in project-based learning, but with notes. We must serve a different project themes based on the group, yeah, ma'am, yeah. Yes. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It is so interesting. And next time I will apply this method in my class, ma'am. Because my class, yes, my class generally in project also. So I will try it next time. Okay, dear participants, is there any question again? Any questions? You can also text it the question in the chat box. Yes, our speakers today. Hello, hello, our participants that have already joined this room. This is our invite speaker today, Ibu Sudarmiani. Our invite speaker today have already shared about the window shopping. Window shopping application of window shopping learning model to increase the student learning outcomes. So we still wait for the question to our speakers today. Please, Bapak Ibu. Is there any question?
Waktunya mengantuk ini hari Ibu Puji.
Yes, Sir Anthony said that no more, ma'am, no more question again.
Thank you,
Yes, I
Mr.
think,
Cyrus Anthony.
yes, I
Berarti
think all
sudah
the
sangat jelas dan gamblang.
Yes, I think all the participants here is already tired because the running of the schedule. Okay, ma'am, if there is no question again, yes, let me close this meeting. And once again, thank you, ma'am, for our speakers today, Ibu Dr. Sudarmiani, for your valuable information, ma'am, for your great knowledge that you have already shared with us, ma'am. And honestly, some of these points are new for us, ma'am. And I'm so excited to apply this method in my class actually. And so this concludes the session today actually. And thank you for your attendance in this breakout room. And I hope we can meet again in other occasion. And if you want watch again, the video conference, okay, ISTEC 20 and 22. You can go to the Unipma YouTube channel, and we are delighted if you also subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And I will see you in the next conference actually. Thank you so much, Bapak Ibu. Before we leave this group, may we can take off the pictures first. So let's turn on your camera, please.
Foto dulu.
Yes, let's take a picture. Hello, Sir Anthony. Salam from Indonesia.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, please turn on your camera for Ibu Rati, Bapak Muhammad. Yes. Okay, I will hand down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. One more, ma'am, sir, with a freestyle. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes, thank you so much, Bapak Ibu. Thank you so much, participant, and see you in the next occasion. Bye. Thank you for our speaker today, for the committee also.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're very welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Ma'am Andrea.
Ma'am.
Yes, thank
you,
you,
Ma'am Eti.
Thank you,
Ma'am Dana.
Thank you, Sir Jason. Thank you, Ma'am Maribel. Thank you, Bapak Muhammad Hendri, Ibu Ratih, dan juga Ibu Eti. Terima kasih banyak.
Masih ada breakout kembali ke room ya, Mem ya. Kan lanjut besok kan ini ya.
Iya.
Untuk yang di
lanjut besok.
room-room. Ini hari
Iya.
ini yang
Cukup
agendanya
interesting.
sudah selesai.
Ya, boleh kembali ke main room, Ma'am.
Ya, terima kasih. Saya pamit
Yes.
dulu ya.
Yes, thank you so much,
Terima
ma'am.
kasih.
You're
Selamat
very
po.
welcome, ma'am. Thank
Ya,
you,
terima
ma'am.
kasih,
Yes.
Mem
Terima
Andrea.
kasih. Apa?
Ya,
Yes. Perhaps
terima
all the
kasih, Mem
participants can
Andrea.
back to the main rooms. Yes, thank you
Apa
so
Ibu,
much, Ma'am
Ma'am? Apa
Andrea.
Ibu? Apa? Thank you,
Yes.
Po.
Maraming salamat po, ma'am.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Kayaknya udah akrab ya.